Have you ever heard someone say, "I'd travel at the drop of a hat"? What do you think that means? Does it mean waiting for someone to drop a hat? Or does it mean doing something quickly? Let's find out. Listen to these examples and try to guess the meaning of "at the drop of a hat." My sister would move to another country at the drop of a hat if she found the right job. Jake loves sports and would go to a hockey game at the drop of a hat. Our dog starts barking at the drop of a hat whenever he hears a strange noise. She would help her friends at the drop of a hat if they needed support. If I had enough money, I'd travel around the world at the drop of a hat. What do all of these examples have in common? Let's look at a hint. Imagine a race where the official drops a hat to signal the start. The runners begin immediately without waiting. What do you think "at the drop of a hat" means? At the drop of a hat means immediately, without hesitation, or at a moment's notice. If someone is willing to do something at the drop of a hat, they are ready to do it right away. Here are 5 similar expressions that native English speakers use. Right away. I'll answer your email right away. In a heartbeat. I'd help my best friend in a heartbeat. Without hesitation. She accepted the job offer without hesitation. On the spur of the moment. We decided to take a road trip on the spur of the moment. At a moment's notice. The firefighters are ready to respond at a moment's notice. Now it's your turn. Can you write a sentence using "at the drop of a hat"? Post it in the comments below. We'd love to read your examples. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more English idioms? Check out our idiom playlist and subscribe for more English lessons, example sentences, and vocabulary videos.